Is it a right decision to buy Apple AirPod Generation 2 in 2022 when we have lots of options available from Bose, Sony, Sennheiser, Samsung, and LG? So Apple AirPods Generation 2, does does this really worth the price in this year of 2022 where we have lots of options available? And the biggest question is why you should invest, because Apple, you know that, right? Apple products are not cheap. It's quite costly. In fact, it's very costly. Should you consider Apple AirPods Pro version or should you consider Apple AirPod Generation 2? Let's find out. So the first question is why you should consider AirPods? Why not the other brands? So if you own any Apple product like MacBook Pro, Mini, and you are considering an earphone for your iPhone, definitely you should go for Apple AirPods. Let's talk about design first for Apple AirPods Generation 2. Well, it's an Apple style design and is completely out of the world compared to other brands like Sony, Bose, Sennheiser, and other companies in the market. So if you see the design of Apple AirPod Generation 2 design, I was watching the Apple release event, and when I saw the design, I told my wife, this is not going to be work. This is extremely bad design. I don't know what Apple is thinking and how they can make a earphone like this. This was weird for me. I mean, the design was weird for me. I was completely wrong about my first impression that it will fail, because after a few days of using it, I quickly realized that it's not only fashion statement, power-packed features that Apple AirPod provides. And Apple AirPods Generation 2 is an exception in terms of fitting, comfort, and style. Apple AirPod Generation 2 fits in all shape of the ears. It fits to your ear very comfortably, and after some time you actually forget that something is in your ear. So it doesn't bother at all. It fits so nicely and you can keep using this for a longer time. So let's quickly talk about its features. And I guess this is one of the most important segment for Apple AirPods. So Apple AirPods second generation comes with H1 chip. I love the way it connects Apple devices. It's so easy to connect. It so seamlessly connects to your Apple devices. I don't think that any other models or any other brand can match this as of now. Let's not forget about Siri here. It will announce your call or message when you are listening to music, and you can immediately check your phone, use your phone to answer it, or you don't have to use any physical button on your AirPod to answer the call. Using touch control on AirPods, simply remember double tap on your earbuds. It can play the music, it can change the song, and it can also answer the call. So this is really convenient, this is really easy, and it doesn't have any latency in that one. Let's say if you have more than one Apple device, it seamlessly connects one device to another device, or it seamlessly switches from one device to another device. You simply go to the control center of your phone, select your AirPod. It comes with Bluetooth 5.0. That means no lag when you're watching a video or movie on your phone or tablet or any computer. And I guess one of the features that people really loved it, that when you remove one of your AirPod, and let's say you are watching any movie or listening any song, immediately the music will stop or the video will stop. And the moment you plug it back to your ear, the sensor works effortlessly and your video or music will resume from there. Well, one of the important feature in my every video when I review any product is the build quality. So even after 2 years, this product, it looks like new. You can see that. This is the case, the earbuds, the charging, everything is similar to the new one, even after 2 years of the use. So not a single complaint on build quality. So excellent job, Apple here. Now let's talk about most important thing, right? Sound quality. Apple is known for its best in class in terms of build, sound quality, and the brand value. Well, it sounds quite good unless you are a die-hard fan of excellent music. The sound that it produces is quite balanced. The music is well separated in terms of any song that you are listening. It's not too loud, but it's not too low as well. So this sounds, I will say the sound quality is good. Not best in the segment, but this holds its position. How about the battery life? Well, battery life, even today I'm getting same battery life compared to when I bought it as a new. So excellent job in terms of battery life. Even though this is getting older and older, but in terms of performance, there is no issue at all. Well, I just have two complaints with Apple. The first one is music quality and the volume it produces. So what I mean is, let's say if you are in crowded place and let's say you are traveling and there are a lot of noise outside, well, at that time I really felt that the volume should be little extra compared to the current one. If you don't want to compromise on your music quality and active noise cancellation, then in that case, I will definitely recommend to you Apple AirPod Pro version. But if you want to save some money and if you want to save 50% of the price compared to Apple AirPod Pro version, it is going to be with you for quite a long time, I'm sure, because the build quality is excellent. The features are awesome. You will love it when you will use it. You will thank me. You will thank me for sure. You will love this model. You will love the features that Apple AirPod Generation 2 supports and provides. So yeah, finally the choice is yours, but I will strongly recommend this even today, that is 2022. Thank you for watching this video. I'm your host Santosh Kumar. Till the next time, take care, love your family, and be safe.